Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening and the dialer, and here let's enter the first code, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *###, *###, and right here we've got the calendar info, so we can check the events which are gathered in one place. Family events, as you can see, holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu. It is *##, *4636 ###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check different information like tablet information, where we can find the info like the email number, data network type, or signal strength. Here, after scrolling, we can run ping test, and after tapping on the three dots icon, we can view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. We can go back, usage statistics. So here we've got the list of apps which are currently on this device. So you can sort them by usage time, but also by last time used or app name, up to you. So you can check all of the details, and another section, so the Wi-Fi info, we can check the API configuration and the status. So for example, we can check the network status, SID or network ID. We can also refresh the stats and run ping test here. Let's go back and let me show you the last code. *##, *426 ###. And here we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected. After tapping on events, we can find some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can also show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the option, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last being, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.